Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking. What about you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm pretty well. Thank you. Okay, so how was your morning today?
It's going good, ma'am, because today is my holiday, so I enjoy.
Okay. Yeah, so this is our first session. So, would you like to give you a short introduction?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Rishi Kumar Shah. I'm calling from West Bengal. Basically, I'm from Bihar. I'm married person. I'm father of two kids. I'm 34 years old right now. And if you talk about my qualifications, so I have done BA, Bachelor of Arts History Honors, and DCA, Diploma in Computer Application. My hobby is listening music. That's all about me, ma'am.
Okay, where are you working?
Yeah, I'm working in West Bengal.
Okay, and may I know in which field?
Yeah, I'm working in cement industry as a bridge operator.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so now it's my turn. My name is
Yes.
Tanuja, and I'm from Bhopal city. About my qualification, I have done engineering in IT stream, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company. And it's been 5 years that I'm working in this field. And along with that, I'm running my YouTube. You can say in part time or in my free time, I do it. And apart from this too, I love to do drawing, dancing, and traveling in my free time. That's all about me.
That's great, ma'am. Great to hear about you.
Okay, so may I know, is there any specific reason that you are learning this language?
Yes, ma'am. There are two reasons I have. Firstly, I want to grow in my career, and second, for my kids, I'm not able to teach my kids. That's why I try to improve English knowledge, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely. Nowadays, it's very important that if you know English, so you can survive. Otherwise, it's really difficult. Not in our career, but also, as you mentioned, that you have to teach your kids also. So yeah, that's why. And there are many other reasons also. If you go to any other state or countries, if you want to communicate, or if you want to grow in your business also. So
Mm.
definitely in every sector, it is required.
Yes, ma'am. You're right, ma'am.
Okay, so are you talking with your colleagues in English or you are just doing this practice?
Don't have English environment, ma'am, because my family, my villagers, my colleagues, all are person talking in Hindi. So I don't have
Hmm.
in English environment. I'm talking only online application like Skype app and other application, English speak application app, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So do you have any question for me or shall we discuss any random things or any topic?
Yes, ma'am. How long you have been trying to learn this language, ma'am? You have good much command English.
For me, it's a very long time, to be honest. I'm doing this kind of practice for 1.5 years. And before that, also, I was speaking in my workplace because it is necessary to speak in English language. On the regular basis, I have to connect with foreign people, like their mother tongue is English only. So I have to communicate with them in English. So I was struggling a lot in my initial days because their accent is totally different and I was not too good in this language. So one day I decided if I have to communicate well with them, so definitely I should work on my communication skills. I should learn English language. So that's why I started this kind of practice with co-learners, and gradually I'm learning and practicing every day. So now I'm here that I have improved a little bit.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely, you have good much English command. Definitely, no doubt, ma'am. How long you have been running your YouTube channel, ma'am?
It's more than 2 years.
Oh my God, you have good much experience. And how many subscribers you have, ma'am?
Mm, I think it's more than 3K.
3K. Okay, that's great, ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am. You have more than 3K subscribers. So that's good things, ma'am.
Thank you so
Uh,
much. Yeah, but to be honest, I am not, putting extra effort over there. That's why maybe I'm already working. So that's why. But I'm getting the another benefit that if I connect with people like this, so I'm improving my English. And also we are getting so many information regarding other things from the other different people. So that's the great thing for me.
Yes, yes, ma'am. That's great, ma'am. That's great. So, can you suggest me what type of method you are follow to learn this language? Because I'm a near beginner here, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Like I think we already aware that the four thing. But to be honest, if I'll talk about me, so what I usually do, I do one conversation every day, 15 to 20 minutes every day. I have to speak, and the initial time, sometimes I used to speak like general conversation, and sometimes I try to speak on a particular topic as well, so that I can utilize some new vocabulary and the new phrases and idioms. And other than that, listening practice, I'm doing it regularly. Like in the night time when I get free time, when I go to my bed, so I listen English content, like 10 to 15 minutes video only. Mostly it's a kind of stories because I like to listen a story a lot. So that's why. And when I listen those kind of stories, so I just try to narrate whole story in my mind, like what was the story, so that if I'm struggling with some word, like what they had told in that story, so I just try to find out the words, like what we call this word in English and what they had used that time. So this is how I'm developing this habit, like I can learn new words also. And also I'm doing it doing it speaking practice also, so that is the good thing. So these two things I'm mainly doing. But if you have more time, so you can utilize in some other ways, reading and writing. But mostly I'm preferring these two as per my choice. So you can also do. And if you already know that where you are lacking, because some people say that their vocabulary is not enough, or some people say their pronunciation is not too good, so they are just focusing on that thing. So mostly if you will listen English content, so you can improve both the things, like your pronunciation as well. And you can get new vocab also. So yeah, these two things you can do. So
Okay.
may I know how long have you been learning this language or doing this kind of practice?
Yeah, I have been trying to learn this language for the last 1 year, ma'am. But right now, still I'm facing grammatical mistake. I'm very confused to make a sentence. So I invest my time half an hour per day, but I think it is not my right manner to learn this language. That's why I'm facing, ma'am, this type issues.
Yeah, if you are doing like conversation, but apart from that also you need to work more, like some other things also. Then only you can improve more and more. Even I don't get much time, but as I mentioned that 15 minutes I talk, and the other 15 minutes I utilize in listening practice. And the reading and writing part, I'm not doing it separately, because in my work I just consider that I have to read some documents and I have to write an email also. So like this, so that's why I'm not doing that two things separately. Otherwise, if you have time, so I think you should utilize.
Yes, sure, ma'am, sure. So, what is your education means schooling medium, ma'am? It is Hindi or English?
Yeah, it was Hindi.
Oh my God. What you are?
Yeah, that's why I struggled a lot in my career. But now I realized that it is very important, and now I'm working on this thing. So I think I have reduced this problem little bit, but still, I don't consider myself as an advanced speaker. So that it will also take more time. But yeah, that's okay that I'm doing it. I'm doing something to improve my communication. That's.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. That's great. Okay.
Okay, so may I know a little bit about your state? As I already know, but it would be great if you can tell me more about your states.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, I will tell you, ma'am. Some famous things according to my knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
Bihar very famous for ancient culture, ma'am. There are lots of ruler ruling there in the past, and other one Nalanda University, the oldest university in India, uh, there, and also there Rajgir Glass Bridge in Rajgir district in Bihar,
Mhm.
and other things, ma'am, Bihar famous for IS officer.
Yes.
If you heard
And
sometime.
the one thing I want to mention, I am also from Bihar.
Oh
So
my
I
God.
already know so many things. Yeah, but I am living in Bhopal city for very long time, or you can say that since my childhood. So that's why. But yeah, our roots are from Bihar.
Okay, okay. So I think you know some things about Bihar. And another things, ma'am, Mahabodhi temple in Gaya district of Bihar. Jainism
Hmm.
famous for Vaishali district. Guru Gobind Singh birthplace, Patna Sahib, Bihar. So these
Yeah,
are
yeah.
the famous, ma'am, according to my knowledge.
So you must have visited these places, right? Or not?
I visited only Mahabodhi temple and Patna 2 times. Otherwise, I don't visit any other place.
And currently you are living in West Bengal, right?
Yes.
And what do you like about West Bengal?
Basically, people is so good people means behavior are very good, and
Mm-hmm.
Bengali language very sweet. Bengali rasgulla, Bengali food, fish curry and rice. So
Okay.
I love.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. And yeah, West Bengal. Okay. Yeah, I have heard like they state is famous for sweets a lot, and
Hmm.
as you mentioned that rasagulla that they call it.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah. And have you visited some places over there?
No, ma'am, I don't visited any other place.
No. Okay.
No.
I think you should visit. You are living in that state.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I definitely, I if I get opportunity, I will visit. There are lots of famous things there, like Victoria Memorial, Belur
Mm-hmm.
Math, Dakshineswari Temple, Kali Ghat,
Yeah.
uh, Digha Beach, IIT Kharagpur. There are lots of
Mhm.
famous here, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, I think you should visit some places so that you will remember all the time that yes, you have visited these places in that state also. So
Yes,
your
ma'am.
working place is there, right? Or you are living with your family?
Yes, ma'am.
You are living with your family there.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And how long have you been working in this industry?
I have been working for the last 7 years, ma'am.
7 years. Okay. May I know what is the best part about your job?
In my job, I'm a working as a contact-based worker, not direct. This job is my uh, contextual work, not permanent, ma'am. So,
Okay.
in my company provide lots of things apart from salary, like accommodation,
Mhm.
uh, health facility, CLEL, tourist, traveling. This kinds of things company provide, but not other contractor worker, only company employee.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that there are so many advantages or benefits they provide to the regular employees only,
Permanent employee only. Yes.
permanent employees. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So, are you doing any other work also, or just here only?
No, ma'am. After work, I try to learn this language. Apart from this, I don't nothing doing anything.
Okay. And what about your kids? Are they speaking in English?
Little bit, not good much, ma'am. Little bit they speak English, and I also teach them, and I learn uh, means me and my kids learn English both each other.
Okay, okay, got it. And the area where you are living, is it village area or a city area?
Village area, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. So
Yes.
which kind of place you like a lot, like city area or village area?
I'm belongs from village area, ma'am. So I love village area. But there are some difficulty village area facing, like uh, uh, don't have good schools, medical facility, means any types of facility not available in village area right now. So
Mm-hmm.
we are facing this type issue. Otherwise, no issue. Village area people are very supporting. They always support each other. So this is the good things, man.
Yes, yes. I think they treat equally each other and they support each other. So I like these things a lot. And when I go to my like my grandparents' home, so I saw these things like they are very supportive. And when I go to my grandparents' home, so that time they treat me like I am the new one, and like they are giving me the best as they can do for me. But the another thing is that like they are living in a village area, so there the all the facilities like hospital and schools are very far from that place. So people struggle sometimes when they have to go to good hospital. So they will have to go to another city, then only they
Yes.
will get yeah, these things. So yeah, these things lacking, but in village there is more advantage, like they get fresh air, fresh food, and they get all the veggies and like grains from the own farm.
Hmm.
So yeah, so that's the good thing. So
Yes,
when I
yes.
go there, so I enjoy, and I just insist them that please take me to my farm field, so that I can see all these things and all.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Right.
We can wrap up, and if I'll get the chance, we will meet again. Till
Yep.
then, take care and thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Take care.